Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Toss drained, rinsed dried beans with a bit of olive oil or avocado oil and your favorite seasonings. You can add crushed whole seeds, coriander, cumin, fennel, mustard, etc., woodsy herbs, thyme, oregano, rosemary, sage, red pepper flakes, crushed garlic cloves, and of course salt and pepper.
Take our lead.
Add aromatics and some salt. We're talking onions, shallots, garlic, and chilies. Or maybe some fresh herbs like rosemary, sage, bay leaves, and thyme. This is where the flavor really starts to build.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Ingredients: 3–1/2 cups fresh or frozen green beans, about 1 pound. 2 tablespoons butter, melted. 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoons seasoned salt. 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon chili powder. 1/8 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/8 teaspoon onion powder.
Take our lead.
Once your canned black beans are cooked on the stove, they will be ready for any dish you want to add them to, or you can simply eat them plain. In addition, black beans are terrific added to a burrito or taco, added to a salad, mixed with corn, mixed with rice, as a side to chicken, or even eaten plain.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Drain canned kidney beans. Rinse the canned kidney beans with running water to remove the canning liquid. Add 1/2 cup of water or chicken stock. Heat in saucepan over medium heat for 20 to 30 minutes, adding garlic powder, onion powder, oil or butter, and a dash of cayenne.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.